Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another haul video. I know, and you're probably gonna go crazy because I've worn this shirt in the last 3 videos, and that's because I've been recording a billion videos in one day. Anyway, so today we have a J.Crew haul, and this lovely top, yes, you can find that in the haul. So yeah, let's get started. I got this in 2 colors, BT Dubs. This is the navy, which, like I said, it's only available in extra small. If you watched my other video, I did mention that. And the fresh cream, I think the only size available is extra large, or extra large, one of those two. I don't think they have extra large for this shirt. They're so cute, right? The reason why I got them is because they remind me a lot of the Chanel tweed jackets. I don't know, it just looks like something I would find in Chanel. And I don't know, there's something about it. It just gave me something. It gave me this. It called me in, really. So my order total was 107, and guys, I'm gonna hear this BS. My total was $100 before tax, and I still had to pay for shipping. Yes, it was $5, but a lot of brands nowadays, like $50 and over, you get free shipping, or sometimes it's $75 and over. But it was $100 before tax, and I had to pay extra $5. Okay. And to save some money, I did use a coupon code. What did I use? Oh, and listen to this. A quick story time before we begin. So, I love what I call online window shopping, where I just add a whole bunch of stuff to my cart and never buy it because, you know, girl's broke. But I saw these, I was like, I need to have them. I didn't care. I was like, you know, I've been saving money. I was like, I need to have it. I haven't shopped in about a year. Not really. Something like that. Anyway, so when I saw these, there was a promo code for 50% off. 50. So what did I do? I got a gift card granny. If you don't know what that is, I have a video on that. So if you want to save money or make money back on your purchases or pretty much anything, just a quick way to make some extra cash from home, I will link that video. So I got a gift card granny, and I purchased a gift card for, the value of the gift card is 100, and I purchased it for 82 because I knew that my order total was 100. And gift card granny doesn't actually sell it to you. They have different vendors. You pick whichever one has the better price. Anyway, so it takes like a few days. By this time the sale is over, and now it is 40% off. So I'm mad because I thought that I was gonna save so much money, and it's not that I didn't. Well, actually I didn't save that much money. I'll tell you why now. So the reason why is because because of the shipping. I had to pay those extra $5, and I live in Florida, so taxes, lots of taxes. And yeah, I just thought I had to let you guys know because I was so mad. Has that ever happened to you? When you really want to buy something and then you go and that's it? They take it off and then they put something else, or they just take off the whatever. I was just really mad about that. Anyway. So these are called the short sleeve fringe sweaters. I got them in extra large because somebody said that when in the reviews, when they washed it, it shrunk, and I don't want that. So extra large, fresh cream. You have a promo code going on right now. Oh, by the way, so I guess somebody returned it. This one's available in small and extra large, and this one, oh, somebody must have returned. I swear yesterday they were only available on one size each, and now this one's available in extra small and extra large. I mean, oh my god, sorry guys. So fresh cream, small and extra large, and navy extra small and extra large. These are $70, so $69.50. They're on sale for $39.99. So I ended up getting them for $23.99. It's like $4 or $5 more than I would have spent, but whatever. And oh my god, they're just so cute. And also I wanted to mention, when I go shopping, I also, if I try to find pieces that are versatile that I can use for work, which the way that I have styled these is I just put like a blazer over them, and I think I put both. I should appear with 2 blazers, if not it should be 1. The black one is Banana Republic, and for reference it's a size 14, and the white one is a Worthington, and I think that's size 16. And yeah, I put that with these meals from White House Black Market. If you want more on there in my other haul video, my TJ Maxx haul video. What else did I, oh, and a pearl necklace from Avon. They're just so cute. If you feel like they're too inappropriate, you can wear a, I mean, you can see here, it's not, you can't really see much. You can wear these with a blazer, with a cardigan, if you want to wear them for work, with either your bra. You can put a bralette or a cami under, and you'll be good to go. And the same with the dress. The dress, I styled it with the black Banana Republic blazer, my black mule. Yeah, it's really comfy, and I don't know, I just really like this. You do have to be very careful though, because with these tops already, I've had to cut the little pieces of string that come out. My dog went on this one, and he ripped out a piece, and I actually ripped out a little piece today because I was taking this out of the closet with my stupid rings. So I mean, this, okay, I'm a curvy girl, and J.Crew is known for dressing women with straight bodies, and I really like how everything looks on me. I think it looks good. It's not too tight, it's not too snug, it's not too loose, it's just right. And all these pieces, again, you can wear, I would just wear these with some sandals or flats if you want to go to the movies or just hang out in the mall. The tops you can wear with shorts, you can dress up with pants, with trousers, as I've styled them here, and with jeans, and they just look so cute. It just accessorize that will really make a difference. I did go a size up, so instead of extra large, I went extra large on this. I knew that if I wash this, it was going to shrink a little. And I also read in a review where someone said that they're like a small on the top and a medium on the bottom. So I think they just went with a medium. So I was like, okay, I'm a lot bigger on my bottom than I am on my top. And yeah, this one cost, I think this is like $80. I got it for a really good deal though. I'm very proud of myself. So this is originally $84.50. It's on sale for $49.99, and I got it for $29.99. It's a steal if you ask me. Second, if it wasn't for my budget, I would have gotten the red one and a few other things. But okay, when I got here though, I do have to admit, I was a little upset. So I was like, J.Crew, really? You're trying to play a girl? I don't know if you guys could see. Let me try. Okay, there. See how it's a little see-through there? Yeah, I didn't like that. But then everything changed as soon as I tried on the shirt. And you will see here. Again, I styled these 2 ways. One with jeans, and the other is with trousers. And I think I have a pearl necklace on with this one too. Just feel like everything just looks good with the pearl necklace. And this is a quarter sleeve I really like how the bow just looks so cute here. It doesn't look infantile. It looks innocent in a way. I don't know, it's perfect. It's perfect. And this, I end up getting in an extra large. How much was this one though? I think it was like $70. And this is called the Tie Cold Shoulder Sweater. And that dress is just a fringe sweater dress. Which, by the way, let me go back. The dress is available in black and red, and all the sizes are still in stock. Okay, so this is called, the color is tipped navy ivory. $59.50 on sale for $29.99, and I got it for $17.99. That top is just adorbs. Last on the list, they are girls' earrings. By the way, if you want to organize your earrings, like I have a few of these are from the dollar store. I think nails come in here, and I just take all the nails out and I put all my earrings in there. I wanted to let you guys know my little trick. You guys can see them. These are originally $9.99 and they were on sale for $6.99, and I got them for $4.19, and they're just so cute. That's it for the haul, guys. If you want more videos like that, let me know. If there's certain stores that you want me to try, Express is one of them. I just saw Sarah Ray Vargas do a video on that one. And Express, if you're watching, you know, sponsor a girl. I bet I can make your clothes really good. Well, not only that, but it just fits my style or my aesthetic better. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad to be back. And just stay tuned, because I have so many videos that I'm literally editing as you are watching this, and I'm just so excited. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, let a girl know what you want to watch next. Thanks, bye.